Today I'm going to show you how to use a syllable strip. It looks like this and it's very easy to make one of your own at home with markers or crayons. We use it to clearly tap out each syllable in a word. You must have one clear tap per syllable. Use pictures from books, magazines, or newspapers around your house. Pick an object and have your child tap out how many syllables are in the word. Here we have the word mountain. Mountain has 2 syllables. See if your child can guess how many syllables are in the word cafeteria. Then have them double check themselves by tapping out the word. Did they get it right? Cafeteria. Cafeteria has 5 syllables. Sometimes one-syllable words are tricky because the child wants to sound out each sound in the word instead of just saying map. Make sure when they say one-syllable words, they only tap once, like this. Map. Map has 1 syllable. Try out words with all different syllable lengths with the syllable strip. Here we have pajamas. Pajamas has 3 syllables. Sometimes kids might mush syllables together or drop one out. So they might say Dury instead of delivery. Help them by tapping out each syllable in the word. Delivery. Delivery has 4 syllables. Go on a scavenger hunt around your house or outside and find words with different syllable lengths. Tap them out clearly, making sure you have 1 tap per syllable. See if you can do 5 words a day for a whole week. Have fun!